In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split date and time in Tableau. This is a very useful trick, especially when working with datasets that have timestamps, enabling you to separate date and time for better visualization or analysis. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you want to open up the Tableau public app. Make sure you are logged in and have your data source ready to go. Once you have the app open, you need to access your worksheet. This will be your main working area where all the magic happens. If you haven't already imported your dataset, do that now by connecting to your data source. Now let's begin by dragging the Order Date field to the rows shelf. This will display your data along a timeline. Once you've done that, it's important to change the data to exact date and set it as discrete. This step ensures that we can view and manipulate precise timestamps individually. You can do this by clicking on the Order Date, then choosing Exact Date from the drop-down and setting its type to discrete. Next, go to the Analysis section at the top of the screen and click to create a calculated field. This is where we will start splitting the date and time. When prompted to create the new field, give it a name. Let's call it Only Date. In the query area, you'll type your specific query. This would usually be something like using the date function to extract only the date part from your timestamp field. Once you've done that, hit OK. You'll then drag this newly created Only Date field to your rows shelf. Just like before, make sure it's set to Exact Date and Discrete. This step is crucial as it prepares the field for proper formatting and ensures only the date part of your timestamp is displayed separately. Let's move on to creating another calculated field for time. Head back to the Create Calculated Field option. This time, name your field Time Only. Just like before, type in a suitable query, such as using the time function to extract just the time portion. Once you're satisfied with your query, click OK. Much like what we did for the date, you want to drag Time Only to your rows shelf and set it to Exact and Discrete. After that, you'll need to click on the drop-down arrow next to the Time field and select Format. This step allows you to customize how your time is displayed. When you go into the formatting options, head over to the Dates section. Initially, select a date format and then switch to Custom to manually adjust your display settings. Here, you want to make sure that only the time is shown by removing the date format. This step will give you a clean separation of time from your original date time field. And there you have it, a clear and concise way to split date and time in Tableau. With these steps, you're well equipped to enhance your data visualizations and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.